In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Base44 code for free. To get started, head over to Base44, sign into your account, and open the app you want to export. Make sure you're inside the correct project before moving on, especially if you manage more than one app. That way you'll avoid downloading the wrong files and having to repeat the process later. Once your app is open, go to the Code tab from your app dashboard or editor. This is where Base44 shows your project files and source code. If it's your first time in this area, don't worry if it looks technical at first glance. You're not changing anything here yet. You're just navigating to the place where the export option is available. After that, look toward the top right corner of the code view. You should see the option labeled Export Project as zip. Click that to begin the export. At this point, Base44 will start packaging your project into a downloadable zip file. Depending on the size of your app and your internet speed, this may take a few moments, so just give it a little time to finish. When the zip file downloads to your computer, locate it in your Downloads folder or wherever your browser normally saves files. Next, right-click the zip file and choose Extract All. This will unpack the project into a normal folder that you can open and browse through. Once the extraction is complete, open the extracted project folder so you can view the files inside. Now take a moment to check that everything looks right. You should see the project's React Invite file structure, including folders like src, pages, and components along with the rest of the project files. This is a good confirmation that the export worked successfully. If you see those core folders, you're in the right place. If you want to go a step further, you can open the exported project in Visual Studio Code or any other code editor you prefer. That makes it easier to inspect the code, organize files, and continue working locally. Also, if you're looking for a more complete local development workflow, Base44 offers an eject command that can download the front-end code along with back-end resources into a local project setup. And that's it. That's how to export your Base44 code for free, download it as a zip, extract it, and verify that your project files are ready to use locally.